Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Garden Talents. Before going to the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you didn't. As we entered, there was a small cafe and lot of indoor games to sit and play. At the beginning I was so scared, then it was okay. I have included that video clip at the end of the video. So don't forget to watch till the end.
Hello.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye. Hello.
Bye.
My name is Aman.
Bye. Hello. Basa-basa. Hello.
Hello, happy?
Hello.
Happy? Hi?
Parrot was trained and just talking to us. Hi. Hi. Now we are moving to the area of lot of birds. We could feed them as they gave us bird foods. Pergi.
Video on? MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
Come now, I'm gonna show you other small birds. This wonderful bird park is located in Burayda. You can search in Google as Talent Garden. You can spend time with these birds and feed them. Have a great experience with them. If you want the location, please click the link in the description. Now we are moving on to the cave. As you move on, you can see that it's very dark and there is an old cycle there. So I took a picture from there. And there is a small lake area. As you can see, there are a lot of lovely fishes. It's very slippery. Very, very big cave. After this this dark cave, we found this beautiful area with great ambience. There were places to sit. They served Arabian coffee, dates, and water. There is a pool here. You can enjoy with your friends and family.
Like and share and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. One more thing, you have to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. See you in next video.
Onu ne yapıyor hemen?